Hello, welcome back to my channel. Namaste, this is me Naveen, and today we're going to talk about the app called Tab Browser. Yes, this is one of my favorite app, and hope you will like this app. So basically this app is all about the video download, how you will download your videos and then how you will transfer this video to your phone gallery. And it's pretty easy, guys. So through your phone gallery you can send to anyone. So that's why I like this app. And before we continue our video, please like, share and comment. So let's go. Okay, let's go to the app store first, and we will type there Tab Browser. So you can see the first one I will open it. So actually I downloaded already this app, so I have this app, so we will just open it. And here we go. Inside the app you will see this YouTube, or even you can search there Google, whatever you want. So I will just, sometime you will see this ads will come on the window, so you just close them. This is just ads, close them and you back to your normal window. So we will download this video, so this will come up. So download, copy link and cancel. So we will download, so we can download this, and you will see right hand side there is a download option. You see how fast it's going on. So after we download, we will see, we download this video. Let's go to download. Okay, it's complete. So this is a song we just download. So you can see how fast it's working. You can download their movies or anything. So let's try another song which we can download. Let's try this one. And okay, again we go for download. We just download, and here it's going to download now. And second thing, guys, how we will transfer this file to our phone gallery. So just tap on that, you will see this, and open in. So open in, and we scroll down a little bit and save video. So we will save this video and it goes direct to our phone gallery. So we will see. So this is a video just now we download. So this is the way it works. Very easy to send video to phone gallery. And the second thing, you can convert the video to audio. So just hold it on the video, and here you can see export audio. So just click on that, and you will see this audio is convert to video to audio. So it's easy for you to send someone to audio too. And yeah, it's pretty nice. So this is all about this app, guys. So hope you like my videos. Thank you for watching my videos, and subscribe please, so you can watch my upcoming videos too. So for a while, see you guys.